So the small one is the 4000 size. We have a wind-on type reel. Free spin it so you can see. It's really smooth. Manual bail so you don't lose lures when you're casting. This is the drag. And you can see even on the 4000 if I tighten it down. I can't even turn it. So, very smooth drag. On the front of the reel, you can see there's no anti-reverse button, so you don't accidentally hit it and lose large fish when you're fighting it. Instant anti-reverse. Oh, the handle came off. This is the 6000, same thing. Much heavier drag, larger spool capacity. And every piece on the reel CNC'd aluminum. There's no plastic.